Welcome to Highcharts Academy. This GitHub repository is packed with hands-on exercises designed to help you learn Highcharts step by step. Each exercise is self-contained, so you can progress at your own pace. Plus, automated tests are included for every task, and you can run them locally to verify your solutions. To get started, visit highcharts.com, click on Resources and Highcharts Academy, then fill out the form to apply for access to the GitHub repository. Once your application is processed, you will receive an email with a GitHub repository link to begin your Highcharts journey. Before diving in, make sure you have the following tools installed: Node, npm, Git, and a code editor like VS Code. Once you have everything set up, it is time to get started with the repository. All you have to do is follow the instructions on the README page. Before diving into the exercises, I highly recommend starting with getting started with Highcharts Academy. It's a practice task designed to help you get the hang of how everything works. The solution is already provided. You just need to follow the steps, read the instructions, test it out, and submit the code. It's an easy way to see how things flow before tackling the real challenges. If you have questions, comments, or feedback, feel free to join the Highcharts community on the forum at highcharts.com/forum.